Welcome back to the channel. Ajay and Chase another news update. Now,
yeah guys, this is below by a gate, you know, a big bus. I zoom in because I see what I go on. A bus there. One beamer and one taxi. Turn over. Catch a fire same time. Catch a fire same time. Crazy something on the road, bro. Crazy something on the road. So that crazy something on the road.
people are calling this a freak accident. Something only seen in movies like Final Destination. Now, a 28-year-old man from St. Elizabeth lost his life when a weed whacker utilized for lawn maintenance inadvertently flung a piece of binding wire through the air, tragically striking Derval Baker right above his right ear. Well, I'm gonna start this. Somebody use a weed whacker somewhere. The weed whacker touch one piece of binding wire. You know it go with weed whacker. You know if weed whacker ever touch a stone and it slap you, something serious. So people have always known that weed whacker, it presents that type of danger. But this binding wire where it touch, it fling it all the way through the ear, striking a 28-year-old man from St. Elizabeth, Derval Baker. Condolences to the family. Right above his right ear, seemingly piercing the skull. Now, the shocking event took place at the premises in southwestern section of the parish, leaving the family members devastated with the unforeseen, sorrowful turn of events. Nobody could have predicted. So this is no wrong place, wrong time. This is no criminal activity. This isn't a feud, no fight now take place. When contacted by the media, it was said that the entire community of Ashton in St. Elizabeth was in mourning. They were quoted as saying Derval was an individual who didn't give trouble. Him just try to make him fun. And he's a helpful and kind individual. He's the type of person you don't have to ask him to do something. He will just help out people in the community. Now, Violet says Derval's mother has been inconsolable since the incident. Not just tears. This just happened out of nowhere. She said other family members are also badly shaken up. She was quoted as saying, "I have a son. Him and Derval grow like brother. And from Tuesday, I'm concerned because him don't even eat." So she can concerned about the entire family. She said recently when she go to her bed, she didn't even know how she go to sleep because every time she close her eyes, all she can picture is Mr. Baker. Now, as they struggle to cope, the family has heaped blame on the medics at the Black River Hospital, who they believe did not do enough to help Derval. Violet told the tabloids that Derval was admitted to the hospital at about 11:30 a.m., shortly after which doctors decided that he should be transferred to the Kingston Public Hospital. However, she said it was not until 7 p.m. that he was placed in an ambulance and sent to Kingston. He died on the way. Now keep in mind, he was admitted 11:30 a.m. and it wasn't until 7 p.m. 7 p.m. in which them could get transport for transporting from St. Elizabeth to Kingston. What them never really that tell the family. There was no ambulances available to make the transfer. We are talking about from 11:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. That's serious. And if the master doctors arrived and said, if him get transferred, him can get the help where him need. But if you keep in mind the fact that him never get transferred at all since he died on the way, did that contribute to his death? Now the official reason given to Violet, who was at Derval's bedside in the hospital, she said she was told that the delay in transporting him to the KPH was due to the absence of a specialist medical personnel to prepare him for the departure. Well, what does that even mean? A specialist medical personnel to prepare him for the departure, not to travel with, but for prepare him for the travel. You sound like no ambulance never did it. And them never know how to tell the family, say, no ambulance, no did it. Knowing that the family would have probably opt for try to get them own transport. For try to find some way for transport, and them are concerned family members. Them not gonna stand up and watch something like this happen. If them not an ambulance, then they probably try to make arrangement, try to get a private ambulance, something. I don't feel like the hospital just never want to tell the family that. So them tell them say the person was not there. And they take the person from 11 to 7 for reach. I don't know if you have people within the healthcare sector who are cover for the state. But them need to come tell the people in the country what really are going on in the healthcare sector. And now, I think you have rules that are coming where I say, they don't want people just a video on the ward them. Because keep in mind, people up on the ward now consent to, being videoed, video recorded, and things of that nature. So we understand. But also create a level of secrecy. The people don't really know what take place. People don't know that people can do it and wait to get transferred from after 11 till after 7. Our next family member, a cousin, Fiona Barrett, said they blame the Black River Hospital for his death. She was quoted as saying they had him the whole day, even though they knew they could not help him. We blame them. Them tell the family. Doctors arrived, Siwagwan, and told the family whether the equipment or, the trained surgeons were not at the Black River Hospital, but more at the Kingston Public Hospital. And that in the need to get transfer. Them couldn't do it. Or is it that with all the talk with Jamaica make hospitals now have no helicopters so them can do them kind of transfer there? So the military helicopter for those shine light when police do operation, them not have another helicopters for help out situations like this. When somebody needs to get a transfer from a rural hospital or a hospital in a different parish, for come on, UER, Kingston Public Hospital, it's a far drive. No matter how much highway and new highway them claims to them build, these highways often lead to busy main roads. Always gridlock with traffic certain hours of the day. Helicopters need to be there for transfer people. We are the first world advancement that the state I talk about. And with the big bakery we are going to build a country where robots are going in a bakery at work. We can't believe them have some helicopter for transfer patients from hospitals in a rural parishes or rural districts. It don't make no sense. It's almost as if the state continues to present shiny new things in front of the people to distract them from the fact that there's a lack of infrastructure on the island. The only good road that we have are the highway them. And as I said, these highways might lead from one parish to another parish, but as soon as they exit the highway, bad road. Bad road everywhere. The hospital, them not a ambulance. Them not a specialist for prepare people for transport. What the woman a point out to them not a tissue. All of a sudden we see the minister upon the media show with stockpiles of tissue in a container. Basically, the tissue them did there. I wonder if you know see through the smoke screen. The tissues were in containers, not at the hospitals. So them have the tissue them. Better them say them just never reach. But when we sip on the video, the woman did want tissue and there were none there. The woman advised us certain things to be brought from your home. The minister's version of things and the actual video we see are two different scenarios. You must say him have them. Have them a door, have them where? Them and they're the facilities. Talk to me in the comment section. This tragedy has again exposed something that take place in the state. And the reason I get my sentiments for you and those that want to live, love, and prosper. For you stay tuned. Remember click the subscribe icon and the bell icon. Remember put it on all. Remember share the video. Drop a like, bust a share, tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them. Remember the comment section open 24/7. Not lock yet. Drop your comments, your thoughts, your opinions there. You know we can contain the reason via the comment section. And the reason I get my sentiments for you and those that want to live, love, and prosper. For you stay tuned.